ground and Chill Down Kid Town Spray Ground for children under 12. This area gives adults a chance to sit in the shade and relax around the playground or under the canopy a year longer. But there is no relaxing on the 14-story free-fall O-Zone that lets riders experience 4.6 G's of excitement. Several of our rides have historical significance. The Fly Plane ride is one of the last of its kind in the country. The planes were originally used to train World War II airplane pilots. The Cannonball roller coaster, built on site in 1967, was named for the many Civil War soldiers who fought in this area. It was designed by John Allen of the Philadelphia Toboggan Company. He was famous for producing the smoothest wooden coasters of the time. The American coaster enthusiasts visit Lake Winnie annually to enjoy this classic coaster, while the Roller Coaster Club of Great Britain visits every 2 or 3 years for their smooth and thrilling ride. The antique carousel was originally built in 1916, also by the Philadelphia Toboggan Company, and was moved to Lake Winnie from Atlanta in the fall of 1967. The carousel was carefully disassembled, the parts painstakingly numbered, and then reassembled here on the site of the former swimming pool for the 1968 season. It is a beautiful sight at night with the lights reflecting in the water. The boat chute is the last ride of its kind still in operation, according to the Amusement Park Historical Association. For more information on the history of Lake Winnepesaukah, visit the historical exhibit located in the brick building across from the paddle boats. Here you will find photos and information on the park through the year. Gigantic, spectacular fireworks displays over the lake are a thrill for the 4th of July holiday. In 2010, Lake Winnepesaukah was transformed into Lake Winnepesaukah on Friday and Saturday nights in October. This annual Halloween celebration provides ghostly fun for ghouls of all ages. Because of its abundant supply of fresh spring water, this 9-acre lake was a campground for Native Americans in the 1700s. Later on, known as Green Spring Lake, it became a campground for Civil War troops in 1863 and 1864. During World War II, our neighboring town of Fort Oglethorpe was a very busy Army base which had been active since World War I. Lake Winnie became a popular recreation spot for the soldiers. Imagine the excitement of hearing hundreds of soldiers marching in step for several miles on their way for swimming, boating, rides on the boat chute and bumper cars, and other entertainment. Once Fort Oglethorpe became a primary base for the Women's Army Corps training, the marches through the woods became lyrical as the ladies sang while they marched. The sounds alerted the park staff as to the number and the gender of the troops arriving. Lake Winnepesaukah's popcorn-loving fish are a special source of entertainment. The folks at the Georgia Department of Natural Resources are fascinated by the health and longevity of Lake Winnie's park. In the winter, when the water is lowered, the fish burrow into the mud and swim in the small streams until the next season brings laughter, smiles, and of course, more popcorn. One of 2 trains that operate on the Lake Winnepesaukah Railroad. Affectionately known as CP1, this train began service carrying passengers around Westview Park outside of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. for children's birthday parties, and the spacious picnic grove where families bring picnic baskets or larger groups are served by the Lake Winnie Catering Service. Numerous family reunions, clubs, teams, churches, schools, and businesses gather in the shady picnic grove every summer. This is Lake Winnipesaukaa's 86th season for fun-filled memories. The park is still operated by descendants of the founding family. Enjoy your day and treasure your memories. Please remain seated until the train has come to a complete stop.
Where are you going? Let us sit down.